I don't know where to... There we go.
Enter a new day, feel the motion. Take the first step into the ocean. Climb up the tallest tree and see what's all around. The sun shines beaming and the air fills up with sound like...
What's up, babes? It's me, Shan. As you can see of my pigsty of a room, I have a lot to do. I'm gonna shower because I look like I've been homeless for 3 months and my hair is disgusting. So yeah, I'll see you after my shower. Okay, I've showered and I feel clean. Now I have to clean my room. This is probably gonna take like 2 hours because it's such a mess. I have crap everywhere and I have to clean it all. Let's just hope I can get through everything. Let's go. Oh, I might or might not be answering questions while I clean up my room. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in. We'll just see. Let's just do it. I need to get my room clean. So we're gonna be doing my desk first because, as you can see, I'm not the cleanest person. So question number 1, how tall are you? I am 5'4", so I grew about 2 inches than I did in my last Q&A. I think it's in my TMI tag. I was like 5'1", so yeah, your girl grew 3 inches. I can't count, that's why I'm bad at math. Okay, cool.
Walking through the park with trees, the sky's blue is filled with leaves. Life inside the...
Question number 2, what ethnicity are you? I am full American, but I am also half Filipino. Shout out to you, Mom.
The moon, it got gray and you got lost with me. Guess time will tell us what we could be. Fell in love at 21. Back when we were having fun.
Okay, we're not going to talk about my closet because it's just another mess that I'm not going to show you. My room is enough, so this is all you're going to get. I basically just throw everything in here. Just kidding. Mom, if you're watching this, I don't throw everything in here. You can check, I approve. Okay, don't get mad at me, please.
Your touch, I am just a fighter. I can take a punch. Fell in love at 24. Stole my heart, ran out the door. Locked it up, you came for more. Sparked it up, I fucking saw. Now I'm lying on the floor. Drank too much, I'm fucking sore.
By the way, if you guys are wondering why I'm throwing my clothes off to the side, it's because I have my hamper. I'm not just throwing it out of the view of the camera. And no, I'm not a lazy piece of, you know, caca.
Be everything we meant to be. Cause I've been planting plenty seeds, still ain't got no money tree. They be plucking at my leaves, it's oxygen, it's hard to breathe. And I can scream and I can yell, lock myself inside a cell. Make some music not to sell, for these stories that I tell.
This is almost done, I think I'll be good. Almost done with this. And guys, look, it's my twin. Yo, what up, fam? This is awesome. Ew. I think that's like a leftover food I have in there. Okay, that's not, look at that, that's just gross. So you're probably thinking most of this is done, but then you look on the other side and you're like, nope, Shannon, you're screwed. You're not gonna have sleep. So awesome. But let me just show you a quick OOTD. This thing's in the way. But what up? Okay, let's move this out of the way. This is bothering me. Oh, she's thick. Look at my thighs, though. Okay. Shout out to working out every day, even though I didn't work out today because I'm a lazy piece of crap. Anyways, I got this from Virginia. If you guys haven't been there yet, I think I was dying to like get a tie-dye hoodie or tie-dye shirt, so I just went for this one. And these shorts, funny story, I found these when I was in color guard for my marching band, so yeah, that's my OOTD. It wasn't really that special, but
I see you in my paradise.
have you ever been in love? Seeing that it's a new year, no. I've been in love this year, if that's what you mean. Because boys are trash and boys always play with your heart, honey. So we not getting broken hearted today. No thank you. I think being single is very eye-opening. You get to learn more things and you're not restricted of seeing other people. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, I hate it when guys are always so criticizing and always telling us of all the people we cannot see and all the things we cannot wear. Like, you're not my mother. I already have parents. Why do I need another parent? Like, I hate those boys that always tell girls what to do, and girls are just accepting of it. Like, honey, it takes two to tango. You're letting your boyfriend tell you what to do, and you're accepting it. Like, that's not okay. We're not gonna do that. No thanks. I'm not gonna be in love for a while because A, boys don't treat me right, and B, nobody likes me, so I mean, who would want this garbage? All I'm saying. I ain't looking like all those Victoria's Secret models that be running down the walkway looking like a snack. I look like an appetizer that you ordered and then you send it back because you don't like it. Now we gonna put some chapstick and keep this on clean, okay, honey? Why am I talking? Like, I don't even talk like this. Why am I talking like this? Okay, I'm so weird. I'm gonna just tell you what it is. It is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter Chapstick or lip balm. I don't know what you guys call it. Frankly, I don't really like using, I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like using chapstick where you have to dip your finger and like put it on your lips. I feel like it's so gross. But they didn't have my favorite chapstick at the store, so this is gonna have to do. And frankly, it doesn't taste. You don't eat this. Shannon, think. Okay, it doesn't feel that bad because my lips are very sensitive to all the chapsticks that I use. Okay, story time. Little story time. I used to use EOS all the time, like all the time, until sophomore year, I think. I quit using it because I think I had like the passion fruit lip thingy. It was like in a ball, like a purple, you know how they're like in balls? Okay. To keep a long story short, I put a whole bag in it. Just kidding.
To make a long fucking story short, I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
To keep a long story short, that lip balm gave me the baddest rash on my lips. I swear, I wish I could show you guys pictures of my lips. Everybody knows, back in sophomore year, I had the worst reaction to EOS lip balm, and I would keep applying it because I thought it would make my lips better. But no, it did not make my lips better. It made them worse. Like, my lips look like a literal butthole from how dry and cracked and bumpy they were. They were disgusting, and I think I cried one of the days of that week that happened, and I think that rash lasted for about a month until it was completely gone. So guys, if you're using EOS, don't use it. I I do not recommend. 1 out of 10. No, not even a 1 out of 10. -0 out of 10. Like, I'm pretty sure I sound really annoying. I'm sorry. Ugh, I'm sorry.
I don't wanna move too fast.
How old are you? I am 17. I am turning 18 this year in June. So get ready for that vlog because your girl is turning 18. Finally, I've been waiting for this moment since I was 13. Little me is finally growing up. But then you have to worry about bills, and then you have to worry about car payments and more bills and student loans. Because college is coming up soon, I only have 1 more year of high school, which is senior year. And frankly, I'm very excited because I'm ready to get out of this school. And I don't really like anyone in my school. It's like, just kidding. But, you know, I have a couple friends that I absolutely adore from my school. Speaking of which, go subscribe to my friend Joanie if you guys don't know who she is. I'ma give her a shout out right now. This is her account if you wanna go subscribe. I don't know if you guys know her, but she's pretty cool. So yeah. Senior year is coming. I can't speak. Senior year is coming up. Senior pictures are coming up. Graduation pictures are coming up. And your girl might not graduate because she still hasn't done her service hours. We're not gonna talk about that. But okay, back to cleaning because I'm taking a long break and I need to stop.
In the nighttime, always in the nighttime, up too late, lying on the floor, thinking I've been here for so long, just a little too long, think I need to get out of the door, but I've never been a brave one, always was a tame one, always double checked all that I knew, but that safety is a danger, yeah, there's only one.
Ow! 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 I just popped my elbow. Ow! Ow! Call 911. I need a hot doctor.
Through and through, I will be there for you, even if we may seek a separate life. And I don't know what I've been waiting for. It feels like I'm always losing my way. I'm doubting every step I take. I know that everything finds its place, although I wish I knew where to. I guess I'll have to see it through, oh, through and through. Oh, through and through, I'll find my way to you, though all in it may take me some.
Anyway guys, that is all I have for you today. My battery's about to die, so that was it. I cleaned my whole room, and just to show you proof, I did indeed clean my whole room. Y'all want proof? I cleaned all of it. My floor is clean. Okay, that's just school stuff. Everything is clean. That's just my hamper. And everything is okay. Well guys, that was pretty much it. That's all I had to show you. Okay, that scared the crap out of me. That's all I had to show you. Just cleaning my room. And I answered like 4 questions. I don't know. I was not keeping track of all the questions I was being asked. So I got carried away, and yeah. So if you guys like this video, I can't speak. If you guys like this video, please give it a big fat like. A big fat like, yeah. Or a small one. If you want to see more videos or know when I post, please subscribe down to my channel and comment down positive things in the comments below. Anything you want or anything that you feel like expressing down there. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, whenever I upload, most likely this weekend, if not next week, we'll see. But again, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Peace.